How are you feeling, love? You look like you really have it rough. And I hate to see
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
you bleed out. Season now. How'd you fuck it up so bad?
Okay guys, so we're starting off this vlog a little bit later in the afternoon. I don't usually start this late, but it is 3 p.m. Obviously, Dre's over here. And we just went and got some groceries because we're about to whip up some yummy stuff this afternoon. She gave me the idea of this cucumber avocado salad and it sounded fresh and delicious. So I'm gonna whip it up in just a minute. I'm gonna go shower and then we'll whip it up. And I'm gonna show you guys because it sounds so good.
Shout out to TikTok.
I think that's what it's called. It's the TikTok cucumber salad. And then later we are going to whip up a taco salad because that sounded yummy and I need some protein because I just did leg day. I wanted to show you guys real fast what we got. This is for the taco salad. We got the lettuce, we got the chips to go on top because it sounded yummy. Some taco seasoning for the turkey. We're gonna use ground turkey instead of beef. We got black beans, some black olives, a couple different sauces. This is for the cucumber salad I told you guys about. This is for the taco salad. And this is always good on there, so I always add this on top. We got some juice shots. We got some mozzarella bites for the cucumber salad, as well as basil, cucumbers, tomatoes, avocado we're gonna put in there, an onion for the salad, some carrots probably just for next time. I have the turkey, and then we got a little snack. Oopsies. That's everything we got, and I'm ready to whip this up because I'm hungry. All right, guys, we are gonna give this a taste test. This looks so good and fresh, and it was actually super, super easy to make. So I'm probably gonna make this again another day. Okay. That's everything fresh that I've been asking for.
Delicioso.
Well done. And the little hints of basil in there is just fire. Anyways, we're gonna go enjoy this and watch a movie. I will be back probably when I cook our taco salad. All right, guys, it's literally officially 7. Wow. And it's taco time, taco bowl time. So what we're gonna do, I'm trying to make this real quick. I'll speed this process up. I just want to eat now. So I'm gonna try to be quick. I'm just gonna show you guys what we're putting in there. I'm gonna whip it all together and then I will show you guys the bowl after, just because I feel like it's gonna take way too long to show the process of everything. This is the final piece. These look so freaking good. And then we just crunch the chips on top. They're a little bit spicy. And we're going to drizzle the avocado or cilantro lime dressing on top. We are about to dig in. This looks absolutely delicious. Have a good night. It is midday now, if you couldn't tell by my hair. I'm really running low on energy today. I made myself a cup of coffee so I can start editing the vlog that will be up after, or sorry, before this one. I just started the Winter ARC series and I'm so excited because it just sounds so fun. It's kind of like a challenge, and I always like to join challenges when they come out because it just sounds fun and it's something to look forward to. Welcome to the Winter ARC series episode 2. We are just trying to get back on track. We are starting our healthy habits, just doing everything that, I mean, quite literally what the Winter ARC is. So I'm going to edit this vlog and I will get back with you guys. I'll probably just make some lunch and then yeah, we'll just see where the day takes us. This lighting is horrible, but I just wanted to update you guys. It's a couple hours later. I'm done with most of my editing. I'm going to finish the rest of it tomorrow. I just couldn't stand sitting anymore. I'm over it. Anyways, I just prepared a taco salad. It's just the leftovers from yesterday. I am going to eat that and probably just take a shower and watch some movies tonight because I can feel my period coming on and I am exhausted and I've done like nothing today. So nothing physical, I guess. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, friends. Today is Friday and I've taken this morning very slow. As you guys saw, I had my cup of coffee, which is the only reason I'm going to work out today or even go on a run today because I had no motivation at all this morning to go on a run, but I figured that coffee would hype me up and it did. So I'm going to go run some errands and then I will go on a run. It is probably like 40 degrees, but the sun is shining, so I'm grateful. And I know I'm gonna feel better, so I'm doing this for my future self. I'm trying to get back on track with all of my fitness and healthy routines. So that's what we're gonna do. Sometimes I don't feel like doing it, but I never regret working out. I never do. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in, say hello. Hope y'all are having a great day or a great night, whatever time you're watching this. And let's get on with the day. Hey guys, I'm back from my run. So I was today years old when I found out that a 5K is 3.1 miles. So I just ran my first 5K. Let's go. I feel so good. That was about an hour and honestly, my hips hurt so bad. I need to stretch my hips more and like do yoga or something. I need to do more warm-ups and cool downs before my runs and after because my hips are in a lot of pain and I know they're gonna be in more pain tomorrow. So I'm going to go shower. Actually, I'm gonna make a protein shake and then I'm gonna go shower. Okay, so I just took my everything shower, shaved, moisturized, washed my hair, everything. Okay, so I'm about to go edit. I just whipped up the rest of the taco ingredients. So I'm gonna go eat that while I edit. And yeah, try to be more productive today. I had forgotten to mention that I'm actually starting to track my calories just at the moment. I have been tracking my calories, like my macros, mostly because I've fallen off with my protein and you know, I lost 20 pounds. So I'm just trying to build that back up. So I'm tracking right now so that I can make sure I'm hitting my protein goal. That's really the only one I'm more focused, well, the only one I'm really focused on. Today so far I'm at 130 grams of protein. I've been doing much better. I just wanted to make sure I'm staying on track with at least the protein so I can gain muscle. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's happening here, just let's not talk about it. Dre's here now, obviously. You know, it's been like a week of dinners pretty much with her and I'm loving it. Tonight we are making chicken tacos, fresh, delicious, healthy. We even got healthy tortillas. No, it's about to go down. I'm excited. I'm probably going to film some of it, but I will definitely show you the aftermath because they are about to look fire. That. Alright y'all, we got everything prepped. I wanted everything on the cutting board, so that's why it's all on there. But this is everything we're putting on the taco. We're making it kind of simple. And it's gonna be so good. We got the chicken cooking over there. I'm gonna show you this apple cider vinegar drink that we just got from Harmon's. I guess it's like this new thing, but not new. But it's so yummy. It's like a sparkling drink, and we're like, that's perfect instead of alcohol. This is the drink. It's called Life Cider. And black cherry is obviously our favorite flavor, so we got black cherry. And it was really yummy. But yeah, we're about to pour this into a wine glass to feel a little bougie. It's all about romanticizing your life. So this is the final product. We fill those babies full. And don't mind me, I don't want to do dishes, so we have paper plates. Woohoo! We got our drinks, and I'm going to put this on the top because this sauce is so yummy. If it wants to focus on this maybe today. This is so yummy. I put this on turkey, I put it on my eggs, I put it on everything, and it's going to slap on that. So yeah, we pretty much finished everything. Oh my god. Oh, good morning guys, good morning. It's a good old Saturday. I ended up taking ibuprofen, so that's why we are going to Zumba. I literally didn't even think about that until she mentioned, oh, I need ibuprofen. I'm like, well, duh. My hips are probably gonna hurt really bad after, but
Hips don't lie.
I'm telling you, we always chase that after Zumba feeling. It's just like, that high is just something else. It's like runner's high, but even better. We are grabbing a coffee real fast, and we're gonna meet Brittany over at the gym, and we're gonna go to Zumba, baby. Thank you. Van Halen, you said? Sweet. All right, we're gonna try a taste test. Cheers.
Delicioso.
I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it.
About to chug this.
They always say that first sip of coffee in the morning, and they're not lying. This is good. But really, anything I tell her all the time, anything tastes good if you have fucking sugar in it. I mean, sugar. Watch your profanity. Right here. Zumba is over, and guess what? Bad news, it was Nick's last class. You guys don't know who Nick is, but he teaches at the gym that we go to, and he was super fun. But unfortunately, this was his last class. But it was super fun.
And super packed. Wow.
Super packed. It was super packed. Like, we were running into each other. I stepped on Brinley's toe. Dre got us a protein shake because, you know, we need to get our protein. These are so good. 40 grams of protein. That's gonna kick off our day. We're probably at a good whopping like 70 grams of protein already.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
Cake.
I like this one.
Taste that cake.
Sorry y'all, I got really hungry and I already dug in. Actually, we both dug in, but we got the blackened chicken Caesar wrap. It is so good. And then we got some chicken tacos because we need some protein. And then a side of sweet potato bites. And then obviously I showed you guys the cookies, but that's gonna be our little dessert until dinner time. Ooh. All right, we're gonna eat the rest of this. Bye. morning, y'all. As you guys saw, it is snowing outside. It's like a blizzard, and that is why I'm dressed nice and cozy this morning for the gym. Let me show you a quick gym fit. So I'm just wearing my Gymshark leggings. These are the seamless ones. I love this color. A top from, I believe, Acta wear. I don't even know if they're still in business, but it's cute. Got my Nikes on and a hoodie. Honestly, this is a Voss hoodie I've had for years, but it's cozy. Obviously, I am headed off to the gym this morning. I just had my coffee as a little pick-me-up. I wasn't very motivated, so that's why I need coffee. I will see you after the gym. I did want to chat a little bit after, and then I'll probably end the vlog because I do have some upcoming things this next week that I'm going to start for next week's vlog. I have some calls to make after the gym, and then I'm helping my sister and her boyfriend with some stuff for their company. So I will be doing that this afternoon. Let's hit the gym and I'll see you guys after.
Maybe buy you brother, maybe buy you old designer. Maybe it's for you. Carry my champion lover. Hopefully cry, yeah. Baby, my father, yeah. Baby, it's for you. Oh, me, I do no ma. Oh, yeah, do proper. Oh, yeah, stand proper. Number one lover. Nobody better. Nobody cleaner. Nobody other. It's for you, yeah. Man, I my own show.
I'm gonna vlog on my phone because I forgot to bring my camera. And I decided, obviously, as you guys saw, I decided to film some of my workout today, which was fun. I didn't get a lot of content because the gym was really busy and it's kind of hard to film with that. I feel so good today and I feel super, super grateful. I love waking up and doing my affirmations first thing in the morning. That is just obviously a morning ritual that I have been doing lately, and it has changed my life, and it always does. Every time I get into a rut or I'm in a slump, I always start with gratitude. And I have been doing the magic book. I don't know if you guys have heard of that before, but that is the one that I'm doing. It's more like a journal entry kind of thing. You follow along for like 28 days. But it has helped me so much with just focusing on being positive, because obviously when it's snowy outside and there's like no sun, it gets kind of hard to find motivation. At least for me, I do get seasonal depression. So it is nice to be able to focus on gratitude and the things that I'm grateful for and that I have, and that I'm alive and healthy, and it just boosts my mood and makes me a lot more grateful for what I have and not so sad. Alrighty guys, I'm going to close off this vlog here. I really, really appreciate you guys and your support in the past videos and supporting this channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There is going to be more Winter ARC series videos coming up. I feel like Winter ARC is such a motivating thing for me. It's kind of like a challenge. So I'm really enjoying filming these videos, and it's definitely keeping me on track and holding me accountable. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It does help my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Pristine sound.